Hello, guys and gals. This is the Riddle Gamer. Today we're checking out a car. I made another jet-sounding car, and no, it's not the Miata. The Miata has a 3.0 liter flat six in it. This just has the normal, like, crappy four-cylinder engine. This I actually like this. I was never a big fan of the Acura RSX S, but I did put a 4.0 liter V8 engine in it. And then we got the my project car. I need to change a different orange, but this is supposed to be my drag car. I didn't do any crazy engine swaps with it. I recently got it. It's the 4.2 liter V8 fastback. I could put a flat 12 in it. The horn sounds weird. Sounds like an alarm. Then let's move on to this car, my Bel Air. I need to change the paint job and everything, but this has the 6.2 liter V8, which is from a Corvette, the 2016 Corvette. This is the car right here. I'm just gonna turn up the volume real quick because why not? But this is the car that sounds like a jet. Not the startup, not the rev up. It has the 4.0 liter V8 engine in it, and let's just go take it for a test drive, shall we? Yeah. It has the Rocket Bunny kit on it, but the wings from Speedworks. So yeah. So how's your day? How you English? So how's your days, guys and gals? How was your Christmas? How come English has failed me? Do you hear that? Yeah, but it sounds like a jet, which I like. It's the second car that I've made that sounds like a damn jet.
Matter how bad it gets out there, at least you ain't gotta worry about Mercer no more.
Mercer is dead. We need Need for Speed Heat 2. I like this because I don't know. It's small engine, has a slight wide body kit on it, has the V8 in it, which I'm still upset. This has a V8 in it, but I can't have a V8 in my Miata. What type of travesty is this? What type of crime is English? Help? If I could put a damn Porsche engine in this, why can I not put a V8 in it? Put an i6 in it. Yeah, but I put side piping on that. Well, not side piping, but I forgot how I like the fastback because the fastback actually has this like headlights there. I like that. We'll cut it 4.5. I can put a different V in it. Alright, this is the Riddle Gamer. See you guys and gals later. Bye-bye. All that other crap. So like, subscribe, comment, all that.